Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am filming my August Boxycharm unboxing. Boxycharm, for those of you who don't know, is a $21 a month subscription service. You get anywhere from 4 to 6 full-size products in the box, and it's always worth over $100 in value. So I think it's so great. I love Boxycharm. It's my favorite subscription service. If you want to sign up after looking at this video and checking it out, I have a link down below in the description. If you use this link, all that means is that I get 500 charms. Maybe it's 1,000. I don't know. I'll have it down below. And you get that many charms. And charms can be used in the Boxycharm store to buy product. I actually just redeemed some charms for something for my next giveaway. So yeah. I guess I will go ahead and get into it. Today is the 10th, so I got it super early this month. I was so excited. This month, just like the past couple of months, we got another pamphlet, and it is a foldable again, so it talks about everything that you got in it. The bigger item that we got this month was the Laura Lee Los Angeles Party Animal palette, and this is a beautiful palette, but it's not for everybody. It is so bright and colorful, but I'm so excited. I don't have many colorful palettes, but I was excited to get another bright palette because this isn't something that I would buy for myself, but I'm glad to have it. It's beautiful. The colors are so bright and pretty, and it has a little mirror on it. So yeah, it's super cute. I was excited to get that. It was worth $19. So the next item that I got personally was the House of Lashes, and these are in the style Sweet Romance. They really remind me of Ardell Demi Wispies, or Wispies, you know. They're very wispy. They have a thin band, super cute. These are worth $9, but I'll get use out of lashes. I love getting lashes in subscription boxes. Next, I got this Smashbox lipstick, and it is in the shade Spectacle. It is a bright coral, and you can build it up to be like a full pigmentation, but I would use this more as like a sheer coral lipstick. It'd be so pretty with just simple makeup, a little bit of bronzer in your eye, lots of lashes, and then this is your lip. I think that's very summer and beachy. So I love this. It's bright, so I wouldn't necessarily use it with the palette that we got, but it's still a pretty color, and Smashbox is a great brand, so it was exciting to get that too. Next, this is the Bang Beauty, and it is a gel liner, and it's like a chocolate brown. I love brown eyeliners for like every day. They're not as harsh as black, so like with this eye look today, I have on a brown liner because it's not as harsh of a color, so it's more natural. I totally suggest, if you don't use gel liners all the time but you like to have them for a wing or whatever, Inglot makes this Durline, and this did not come in the box, but it is a little, it's like a dropper, and it's a liquid, and you just mix it in with your cream products to make them emollient again and to work like they did if they start to dry out. So I totally suggest having this. This is like maybe $20. I don't even think it's that much, but this, you just use a little bit, and it makes your cream products last so much longer. You can continue to use them even after they dry out. Next, we got Organic Infused Age Defying Nail Treatment Sweet Almond Cuticle Oil. They're nice to have. They're not something that I would buy on my own, but if you get one every once in a while in a subscription box, then you can use it, you know? And then the last thing that we got this month, we got 3 golden eye masks from Wonder Beauty, and these are worth $13. I love these eye masks. I like to put them in the refrigerator so they're really cool and refreshing, and then you can put them under your eye, and then they really help to depuff and everything. So I think that's a good item to get too. Those are something else that I wouldn't buy on my own, but to get them in a box, I'll totally use them. Not worth as much as it typically is, but it was still worth $102, and you only pay $21 a month for the box, so I think it's totally worth it. Alright guys, thank you so much for being here. I really appreciate it. Like I said, if Boxycharm is something that you're interested in, check out that link that's down below. It'll help me out, it'll help you out, but yeah, I totally am obsessed with my Boxycharm. It's my happy every month. Just a little something, like a pick-me-up. So I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for being here. I hope to see you again. Go ahead and subscribe before you leave. Like this video if you want to see more. And I will catch y'all in the next one. Bye, guys.